What is up, YouTube? So today we'll be unboxing the Motorola Razr. So this is the 2024 version. It has 256 gigabyte storage and also a 15-watt wireless charging. So here's the unboxing. First, you open up the case. You have the manual, I believe. Yep, the manual wire. So this phone does not come with a charger. You have the USB-C to USB-C cable, the README manual, the SIM card slot insert, and some legal and safety information. So here's the phone itself. Do not remove the pre-installed screen protector as it will damage the display. And let's slide the phone out. So this is the phone. This is what it looks like. And this phone has never been, never been tested, folded before, but here's the fold. It sounds really sturdy when you fold it. It has a nice touch to it. So let me try to turn it on right now so you guys can see the display. And the feel on the hand is very slim, and it's also very light as well, this phone. So it's got a good feel to it. I really like it, actually. So the back starts up pretty cool, actually. We missed the startup intro on this phone. So it both lights up, which is kind of cool. And then you get the Hello Moto. The resolution, the brightness is on the dimmer side. I don't know if it's a setting that that you can update, but the front screen seems to be slightly clearer, or brighter at least, than the inside screen. So if I can just go through these manual, so I can skip, get this phone ready for you guys. So we did have the screen protector alert as well, and then gives you some of the instructions on how you can protect the screen. And then now this is the home page. So we have this phone fully set up, and as you flip it, you have this. So this is pretty cool. You know, obviously I got a pretty good deal on this phone through Total Wireless. So I'm gonna test this phone for a few weeks and see if this will be my new daily driver from my OnePlus. I know this phone might be probably on the sluggish side over time, just because OnePlus usually has less bloatware than Moto, but I think Moto has come a long way, in terms of their software and also their phone capabilities as well. So this do a quick test, with the camera. So this is the camera. I know you can also use the primary lens, for your camera. So you can do basically a selfie mode using this as a tripod when you let it sit on the ground like this. Pretty cool. So, this is the unboxing video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions, regarding this phone. All right, have a good one.